ahead. So today, as I've said, we'll talk about something that can change the way you think about money, the difference between active and passive income. By the end of this session, I know we will all understand how to transition from working for money to creating systems that make money work for you and me. We will be using Atomi's business model as an example of a real system that helps build passive income. This isn't just about money, it's about time, freedom, security, and creating a life you truly own, right? How many of us here? I have a question to our partners in Zoom. I'm just looking to the right because I can see you on my phone, those on Zoom. So I want to ask you guys, how many of us here have to work every month just to make sure the bills get paid? You can just raise your hands. I can see already Eddie doing like this. Who else is working? Yes, of course. Thank you very much, Diamond Master Melba. And who else are working every month just to make sure that your bills get paid? Of course, Glyza, Loredana, who else is working? Yeah, so I believe like most of us, Tanka is also working, of course, very hard as a teacher. It's sometimes it's really so hard, you know. So every one of us normally is working so that we could get our bills paid, right? So let me just differentiate, or let me just explain to you guys what is active income. So active income is what most people rely on, trading our time, our effort, and our skills for money. So examples are these are as follows, as you can also see on my screen. We have our salaries, our hourly job, commissions, or freelance work, right? And maybe you believe in if you stop working, you also stop earning. Who believe in that on our Zoom? People here in Zoom, right? Do you believe in that? Or also on Facebook, if you believe that if you stop working, you also stop earning. You can just give me a thumbs up or a heart, though I couldn't see it yet. I will check it later on. So it's like a treadmill, right? The moment you step off, the motion stops, correct? So if you press the stop button, the treadmill will also stop. It's the same as our work. If we stop working, our salary or our income will also stop. Balance it by acknowledging it's predictable, and of course it's immediate, right? When we say, okay, I'm gonna quit my job right now, starting tomorrow, of course we will not earn anymore because we're not working anymore. And it's where most people start. But what if we could build something that keeps working even when we are not? That's where passive income comes in. So now, I have another question for us here on Zoom and also here on Facebook. What if your money could keep working even when you're asleep on or vacation? Would you prefer this than going to work every day? So who would like to have your money working while you're on vacation? Who would like it, guys? Raise your hand. Give me give me a thumbs up or give me a heart. Yes, of course, Rowena would like to have it. Loredana would like to have it. Melba, Susan, and almost everyone. I can see a lot of hearts here. Even myself, I wanted to do like three hearts directly, okay? Now, passive income is the opposite of active income. It keeps flowing with little ongoing effort once the system is set up. So let me give you an example of passive income. So there are some rental properties, dividends, royalties, or business system like Atomy system where the work is automated or delegated. Now, what are the key benefits of passive income? First, you would agree with me with this. Of course, it frees your time. You're no longer limited by 24 hours a day. You can plan your day where whatever you want to do. It builds a long-term wealth, compounding over time. It gives freedom and flexibility. You can choose how to spend your time at your own pace, of course. And here is the reality. Let me tell you that passive income isn't instant or effortless. It takes time to set it up. So some people, they could set it up for like 3 years. Other people, they wait 5 to 10 years, or even 15 years. But after that, they will actually enjoy the fruit of their labor with setting up their passive income. So how do we go from working for money to building system that earns for us? So let us look at the next slide. Okay, so the next slide says we have to build a system, not just a job. Do you know the secrets of passive income? Anyone can guess? Zoom or Facebook? Do you know the secret, guys, of passive income on Zoom? Do you have any clue what's the secret of passive income? No? So let me tell you. The secret to passive income isn't luck, okay? It's not about because we are lucky. It's the system that works to build the passive income. Do you know that most people stay in the active income trapped because they never build system that function without them? Let us first define what a system is. All right, so a system, this is a process or structure that continues to generate value with minimal direct effort once it is in place. For me, personally, the first step in building your passive income is, this is personal, okay? We all have our own opinion. I use my current active income to invest in or build something that can earn even when I'm sleeping or even when I'm not working. That's how you shift from trading time to building your leverage. And I would also suggest you guys, if you are now building your passive income, do not quit your active job immediately. We actually have to build passive streams in parallel. And they say if you can teach it, automate it, or delegate it, you can actually scale it. We have to we have to be able to shift our mindset of, instead of asking, how can I earn more money per hour, to ask, how can I build something that earns even when I'm not there or even when I'm asleep? So one real world example of a system that supports this idea is Atomy's business model.